Good evening, all. Let's start today's session, 23rd February 2024. Uh, as usual, we shall start with Nifty Bank. We will see both the indices, Nifty Bank. We'll see both the methods. Okay. The first one is a swapping method. The second one will be the cube root method. So we will see both the methods. Now, first candle close is 46,969. What is the nearest strike price of 46,969?
47,000.
Correct. So we will start with calls and puts of 47,000. Okay. So this is 47,000 call and put. Now let's see the first candle. Okay. Now there is no need to write down the figures and from to high low. Just see. Let's consider the first price of call. You will see high and open is same 520. You can see it over here. Now that 520 should be between, now see here, 408.60 and 485. They are not. So they are not a common point. Now see third price of low on call, 454.3. Now 4.4.454.3 is between high and low of put, which is 485.05 and 408.60. So 405 is a common point. Now last figure on call side, which is close, 475.65 and 475.65 भी put के high और low के बीच में है 485.05 and 408.60. So we get two figures, दो figure मिलते हैं call side के which are common. The first one is 454.30 and second one is 475. We need one, but we are getting two. Okay. Now see the figures from put. So from put side, open A and high is same 485. Okay. And you see 485, both these figures on call side, they are between call side high and low. They are between 520 and 454. So both of these figures are common. The remaining two are not common. 408.60 is not common. And the second figure also, 441.05 is not common. So we got a pair of common prices, two from call, two from put, so we can swap. तो नाउ क्या करेंगे अभी हम कॉल के जो हाई है देखिएगा 520 एंड 450 430 वो हमने पुट पे ड्रॉ किए. ओके यू कुड से दिस आई मीन 520 एंड 450 430 यहाँ पे देखिए 524 एंड पुट के जो हाई एंड लो है 485 408.60 that we are drawn on call. Okay, now this is done. Now yesterday we saw a technique. Okay, so those who was from some other batch, yesterday we saw a technique. Whatever is the value of the upper line. Now see, which has gone upper line? This has closed above upper line and this has closed below lower line. Okay, so here upper line value 485.05. We do a small calculation. Upper line value is 485.05. So first we get cube root of 485.05. 485.05.
7.8.
And that is cube root. Okay. So cube root is written like this. And there will be 3. That is 7.8.
7.8. I think small change. I did it. So, yeah.
485.05.
7.86.
7.8. I'm sorry. Yeah.
7.85. We need to take 2 digit. Say after the decimal. Okay, so it will be 7.85.
Then square is 60.84.
So now 7.85, which is the cube root of this. So now we will square it, means 7.85 multiplied by 7.85.
61.62.
And the answer is 61.62. And this 61.62, the candle,
And low.
which should be 60. I haven't done it. Let me do it. I hope this is correct what you quoted. 67.85 multiplied by 7.85, 61.62.
Correct,
This
sir.
candle. Now let's find out what is the length of this candle. Now, this candle should be bigger than 61.62. What do I mean by bigger than? The total range. What is the range? The range is high minus low. So what you could do over here, 468.65 is low. So you add this 61.62 into 468.65. And the answer is 430.27. Means the high of the candle should be more than 530.27. Only then that will fulfill the condition. Now see, the high is 535.90. So it's much high than the requirement. The requirement was of 61.62. That is from what we did from the low of this candle. We counted, we add that figure. And then what comes is 530.27. And this candle is high is 530.90. Okay. The wick is not also very big. It's considerable. The body is bigger than the wick. So it's fine. Now let's calculate on the downside here. Okay. Here the value is 454.30. What we will do? We will get the square root of 454.30. And that is cube root. And the cube root is 7.68. Now 7.68 multiplied by 7.68. And the answer is 58.98. You can do the same thing here. Okay. But you know this is not a bigger candle. Santosh Kumar, please mute yourself. Santosh Kumar. So this candle is not a bigger candle. Do the same thing. The square root of the cube is 58.98. You add that into the low of this candle, 397, and the answer is 455. So this candle should be bigger than 455, but this is not. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because the way where we want to go here, there are biases created. So now you can see, now there is one more thing we can learn. When the opposite candle is not as that big, then the price tends to come back to the level. And if the opposite candle also is fulfilling the condition, then probably this will go straight up. Okay. So here we kept the buy at 485.05 and that is hit. 485.05 is hit. Simple. Okay, got it? Okay, now the first target was 485.05 plus 26.11%. That is 611.69. So first target was achieved. Anyone who took a position got a fabulous return, 26% return, which are very good. Any doubt till here?
No,
No doubt,
Sir,
but my
sir.
numbers are a little different. Data.
Sir, that I can't help, sir. Now don't. So let us not talk about number. Your broker is different, then the number will be different.
Okay.
Okay. Even though you will see on marketplace the numbers are different. That doesn't matter. See, so far as the trade is coming true, So far as you are getting a position at this level, I mean there is no problem whatsoever. Okay. Suppose you are not getting this candle is not that big, then there is some issue. 1 rupee here and there, that's okay. That is because you see, whenever the candle changes, sometimes I mean, because of the different timing, sometimes it changes after 4 minutes and 56 seconds, 57 seconds.
Yeah, okay,
Sir,
understood.
Lot many people, Shripad, lot many people.
Sir,
Sir,
Sir, sir.
you can mute everybody, sir. I think.
No,
so
sir,
that-
suppose I mute all, then you will not be able to ask question. No?
Yeah. At the time, once you give the
Sir,
time
one
to
question.
ask the question, at the time only you can unmute. Sir.
No, but can't we have this decorum? See,
Sir.
you know, we are grown up. We
Sir,
know
what-
this.
Yeah, people
Sir,
should
one
have
question.
minimum common
I
sense.
mean, they
sir, while
should know,
attending.
at
Yeah,
least now
people
they
have
should know
minimum
the
common sense.
moment they log in, the first thing they should do is mute themselves. Okay, chalo. What is the question?
Sir, one question, sir.
Yeah.
सर मैं कल क्लास अटेंड नहीं किया था, आज भी मेरे को थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है, वो किसको क्यूब रूट करने का, वो कौन सा फिगर को समझ में नहीं आया।
ये जो लाइन है ना, जो अपर लाइन है,
हाँ ये
वो लाइन का क्यूब रूट लेने का C 48505, ये मुझे पता था, तभी आज मैंने पहली बार ये लिखा. सो आई वाज नोइंग इट. 485.05 लाइन है, उसका क्यूब रूट आया 7.85.
सर 48505 कौन सा है, क्या समझ?
लाइन
अच्छा वो ये
अपर लाइन
हाँ अपर लाइन का, ओके
अपर लाइन, ठीक है. अपर लाइन का क्यूब रूट निकाला आपने, अपर लाइन का क्यूब रूट आया 7.85. Now 7.85 multiplied by 7.65, 61.62. अभी क्या देखना है कि जो भी कैंडल इसके ऊपर बनेगा, उसका जो हाइट होगा वो 61.62 चाहिए. Now what is the meaning of height? Height is difference between high and low. तो वो है क्या नहीं हम कैसे समझेंगे? तो 61.62 जो है वो इसके लो में भी डाल दो. 468.65 में अगर आपने मिलाया तो सो आंसर इज समवेयर अराउंड 430 पॉइंट समथिंग. उससे ज्यादा का हाई चाहिए, तो उससे ज्यादा का हाई है, तो ये कंडीशन फुलफिल किया. अभी ये कैंडल उतना बड़ा नहीं है जितना चाहिए, तो क्या करेगा ये, दिस विल कम बैक वंस अगेन एंड देन, अब देखिए अब ये बड़ा कैंडल बना. See now for this touching, this is a bigger candle. This is almost a
Mangesh is very noisy. A lot of people are unmuted.
Oh, sir, everyone, it is very serious issue. We are trying to learn, and people are talking.
This is the
about
last
traffic.
request to all. This is the last request to all. Mr. Shripad Bagalkot, first this is to you. Mr. Devalkar, this is to you. You kindly mute yourself, or else I will be forced to remove you. Please, if you are not understanding it, then I will be forced to remove you. Don't feel bad about it. Okay. So once this is done, it comes back, then simple book the profit at 26.11. Why simple? It's a common sense. Since last 2 days, on Wednesday and Thursday, we have seen very big rallies. Today is the last day. Nobody wishes to carry forward the position because next 2 days are a holiday. Premium will decay. Definitely the premium will decay. So definitely that is the reason I did not held a class today. I knew it will be absolutely sideways, not much say this thing. I was not in market also today. I just saw this first move and then I left. I was knowing very well. Friday is a very dull day. Okay. So this is the profit that you made. Okay.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Huh.
So when you're doing this calculation, this cube root, so when you come on to this red candle, can we do it differently? Like there you're adding it to the low, and the high has to be greater than that. So since continuing your usual logic, can we subtract it from the high on the red side and see if the low is, I mean, the close
Okay.
is lower than that?
If that is confusing, okay, let's do this thing. Okay. I mean, let this be very clear. Now I know when the candle should be more than 61.62, right? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Okay. So let's do one thing. If people are getting confused, whatever is the candle, count it. High minus low, simple. 535.9. Just count it. 535.9 minus 468.65. How much is the difference? 67.25. So actual difference is 67.25. What was desired was 61.62. So this is fulfilling the norm. Simple.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Got it? We wanted the
Yes, sir. Yes,
difference
sir.
more than or equal to 61.62. We got the difference 67.25. So this is a valid candle. Simple.
Got it, sir. Yeah.
Got it?
Thank you.
Okay. 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 So now this. Now, why? I mean, how this method helps us? How this method of calculation of cube root? First of all, false call. We used to see that here there was a small candle, and then we used to buy, and then the price used to go down, and then sometimes the stop losses used to hit. That was a very thin chances, one out of say 7, 8, 9 days, but we also negate the possibility of that through this. This is the first thing. Now, second thing, as we know, they are always equal and opposite. Let's calculate this also now. Now, when it went down from the lower level, 450, 430, let's calculate minus 26.11%. Okay, so 450, 430. The target for the writers, those who short, what will be the target for them? So 454.30 minus 26.11%, that is 335.68. Let's draw a line at 335.68. Okay, now this is a line. Okay. Okay, now let's check. Let's check what is happening here. Okay. Now see this line. 335.68. Let's get a cube root of 335.68. 335.68. And the same is 6.94. Now we will get the the multiply 6.94, the multiplication multiply by 6.94, and the answer is 48. So the candle which broke below the line has to be bigger than 48.60. Then only we can assume that there is a strength and the price will fall further. We require 48.16, and what we get is 48.16 is requirement, and what is the reality of that candle is 348.15 minus 308.85, 39.3. So we needed 48 and this candle is 39. So it shows there is no strength as such. There is no strength as such. Now let's see this. Let's check this candle. 339.30. It remains the same. We need a candle of 39.3. Now let's see 339.30 minus 276.55. Thanks, Mandre. It's 62.75. We needed 39 points and now this candle is 62 point. I know this is not yet closed above the upper line, the 335. It doesn't matter because the opposite side, there is a huge red candle which is having a big upper week. Price is refused from 675. A small lower week. There is no retracement from the lower level. And again, completing the norms. Means what? Again, do the calculation. So cube root of 611.69 And the same is 8.48. Now we will get square of 8.48 means 8.48 multiplied by 8.48. The answer is 71.91. This candle should be bigger than 71. Now common sense says high is 675, low has to be below 600, and that is many times much more below. So no calculation required. Through common sense only we know that this is a bigger candle than what we desired for. So this is a bigger bearish candle. This is a bigger bullish candle. Simple. Price will go up from here. Price will go down from here. So here you can buy the put. Here you can buy the put. This entry earlier we did not used to get. So this is the added benefit of cube root. Thanks to the cube root, now we can get this entry also. The writers, they can go short over here once they find this 566, and their first target will be 485. Still good amount of profit, 566 to 485, and that was it. And here also from 335 to 454, that is it. Again that is it. Okay, got it? Again you got a candle. Again you got a candle. And that shows this will go down. So here it perfectly hit the target. Now see, in the first case, when this one hit the target, exactly on the same time this one also hit the target. They were equal. When this came to the upper line, this exactly came to the lower line. They were equal. Now when this came again back to the target, it should have gone back to the target, but it has not. Means this guy is giving divergence. It doesn't want to go up. Simple. When it hit the 26.11, it hit the 20 minus. When it crossed, this also crossed. When it gave a big candle, negative candle, it gave a big positive candle. Then it came back to the upper level, it came to the lower level. It didn't touch the lower level, this didn't touch the upper level. Then this went back to this. Now this should have gone back to this, but this has not. Then you waited. Then you realize this is not, means probably this is going to reverse. Okay, so again you could have bought it here. Again you could have bought it here. Okay, and then see, from here, if you are bold enough, or suppose not, you bought at around 335 and then that is showing around 430. I mean, good amount of profit. More than 20% book it. But if that comes back once again, if you don't book it, still it's fine. Stop loss is not hit, and now that has given this target. It's very simple, not that complicated. That's why I said you people are taking too much of stress. It's just like it's just like a game. You go into so much of mental things. It's not needed. Absolutely not needed. You enjoy it. You listen to the movie, watch the TV. I mean, you take so much of burden. As if you are sitting for the UPSC exam. So it's not like that. I mean, it's simple, not that tricky. Okay. That's all. Those were the trade. You got one over here, one over here, just two. I'm not considering this also, but suppose you are that much, I mean, this three, this four. Okay. Now let's go to the Nifty Bank first. Okay. Let's go to the Nifty Bank first. Okay. There is one simple calculation. What calculation did I tell you? That the first candle high plus 0.2611%. Okay. I've made a video, open video on YouTube for the benefit of all. So now just see 47,094.40, 47,094.40 plus 0.2611%. and that is 47,217.36. Let me draw it. 47,217.36. And see precisely what accuracy do you need more? Precisely hit this. The timing is 10:15. Now let's come back to 10:15. 10:15. 10:15. Okay. What should be the lower target? The first candle low minus 0.2611. So 46,927.9 minus 0.2611%. Oh, percent. 46,805.37. And see, it hit, it went back, it hit, it went back, it hit, but it was not showing any strong downward movement over here. This has shown that whenever the price touched this level, that got bounced back. See it over here, that got bounced. So from here to here, it was a clear, simple move, very simple. Okay.
Sorry, Mangesh, the cube root and square you did of which value in this one?
No. See, this is the, I mean, see, I think you haven't seen the video though. See, Nifty Bank
I've
Nifty.
seen the video actually, but anyway, carry on.
Acha, first candle, first 5-minute candle low minus 0.2611%.
0.26 off the low.
Yes, first candle low minus 0.2611%.
Okay.
And first candle high plus 0.2611%.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Got it. Okay. Sure. So that's it. Now, what you will do? Now you find a range. If you want to still go to the bottom of it, now this is North Pole. This is South Pole. Now between North Pole and South Pole, there are two more things. Okay. The Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. So how to find it? This high 217 is 100. 805 is 0. Now let's calculate that again. 47,217.36. 47,217.36 minus this low. 46,805.37. The difference is 411.99, roughly 422. Just calculate 26.11%. That is 107.57. So from here 107.57. From here 107.57. There will be the tropics. So let me add this 107.57 into this low plus 46,805.37. And the answer is 46,912.94. 46,912.94. That comes somewhere over here. See, 912. Yeah, see this. Okay, so that's it from this side. Now from this side, you will have to minus it. So 107.57, you will minus from 47,217.36. That is 47,109.78.
26% of 47,217 may be different.
So that's it. Or you can find the center of it. Okay. You can find a center, just find a center rather than going for this. The equator will be in the center. So just add the two and divide them by 2. 47, 217.36 plus downside 46, 805.37 divided by 2 is 47011.36. 47011.36.
So, sir, the equator line gives the retracement part from up to down and down to power up.
That will say either be support or resistance.
Okay.
Okay, and you will see once this is made, this candle has got no sense because no candle is going above this. So it was just a distribution at this level, and again price came to this. Okay, so let's go here. You forget that, I mean, how many calculations you will do? Forget it. I mean, that mean is not needed. That's my theory. That is why I go into so deep, because this is my theory. So in order to support my theory, I keeps on calculating a lot many things. But you don't have to prove a theory, right? So that's it. Okay. Now a second method, which is a cube method. Okay, cube method. What is the method? First candle, whatever is the high between high and call and put, you consider that. Whatever is the low, you consider that, and you add it. If it does not matter, even though the high and low belongs to one single candle, means high and low are from call, or high and low are from put, or high and low are from two different candles, it's fine. Everything is fine. There are no ifs and buts. Just high plus low. So highest high is 520, lowest low is 408.60. 520 is from call side, 408.60 low is from put side. So you will add them. So 520 plus, this is a cube root, 408.60, 408.60. So the answer is 928.6. 928.6. Okay, what I will do, I will divide it by 2. So it's 464.3. And then I will get a cube root of 464.3. So cube root of 464.3. And that is 7.74. Now square of 7.74. 7.74 multiplied by 7.74 is 59.9. So now I will add and subtract this into 464.30. So plus 464.30 is 524. The first is 524.20. So here it is 524.20.
Lower one is 408, sir. 408. Sorry, 404 for 40.
What?
The lower one, if you subtract 404.40.
No, that's okay. That's okay. Okay. So this is first is 524.20. So first will be 524.20, where it's 524.20 here. 524.20. Okay. So this is 524.20, and you will subtract it. If you will subtract it, then you will get minus 464.3.
That is the value I told, sir. 404.40.
404.39. No, I wanted to, so I needed to draw the levels. So that is why 404.39. Four not four from, let's say draw it here. 404.39. So you see. So sometimes it helps you, sometimes it doesn't, but it is it will always show you the trend. See the trend again. I mean, that's more or less showing the same thing. This broke below, this broke above. So now this will go up. As simple as that. Okay. So the first trade that I shown you is this. I mean, and then see, you can apply the same logic wherever you wish. Okay, you can apply the same logic. Again, the same. You see, now you get the cube root of 404.39. Suppose that is x, then x multiplied by x. And now this candle, any candle penetrating should be bigger than. But then that will be too much of complications. Okay. So see, when first method doesn't work, then this can help you. But always your emphasis should be on swapping. That is the by far the best method. Okay. If sometimes if you are not that much confirmed, then probably you can do it. Okay. This, I mean, first candle high and low. But rather than this first candle high and low, my emphasis is always on swapping. Now see, it didn't work today, but if you see in Nifty, okay, let's see Nifty. So Nifty first candle closes 22,259. So strike price will be 22,250. Now say 22,250, call and put. Okay. Now let's calculate them. Let's see how does the method pans out. Okay. So now 193. I'm talking about the cube root method. 193 plus the low is 138.5, 138.5 equal to 331.5 divided by 2, 165.75. Now cube root of 165.75. And that is 5.49. So 5.49 multiplied by 5.49, that is 30.14 plus 165.75. 195.89. I will just draw this line, cube root line in blue color. 195.89. 195.89. See this. Perfect on two candles. And if you minus this from 165.75, then it will be 135.60. See this. Beauty. 135.60. Okay. Beauty. It respected. Just see the difference between Nifty and Bank Nifty. This perfectly respected that and it didn't. Absolutely. Okay. Now let's see Bank Nifty. Sorry, Nifty. And let's calculate the same percentage. Okay. It never went above the first candle high. Just calculate low minus 26.11. So low is 22,243.75 minus 0.2611%. 22,185.67. See the last three candles. Very close to it. Very close to it. Okay. Now just see, just like you drew the lower line, draw the upper line. So upper line is 22,297.5. 22,297.5 plus 0.2611%. That is 22,355.71. 22,355.71. 355.71. This is quite above, Forget it. We'll just take a median. So 22,355.71 plus, now for median you need to add high plus low and then divide it by 2. So 22,355.7 plus 22,185.67. divided by 2. That is 22,270.69. And see perfect resistance at the same level. 279, 270.69, sorry. See. So see the beauty of maths. It was absolutely range bound. Now you realize when market is absolutely range bound means it is so narrow that it is below the center of, listen to me very carefully. It is below the center of first candle high plus 0.2611 plus first candle low minus 0.2611 is this divided by 2, that center, and it is between just half. I mean, this to this, this to this. Let me change the time frame and you can see the upper line and lower line. Now see, here also you can't see, let me go to a daily chart. Okay. Now you see the upper line is 22,355. That is first candle high plus 0.2611. Then first candle low minus 0.2611, that is 22,185.67. And a midpoint of this two is 22,270.69. Now, whole through the day, it remained between 270 and 185, just a 85-point consolidation. And when this happens, then first candle cube root method is well respected. See the difference between this. First candle cube root method is well respected. But when a market is trending, just like Bank Nifty, see it exactly touched the upper line and then it exactly touched the lower line. The upper line is first candle high plus 0.2611. The lower line is first candle low minus 0.2611. When it is ranging, then rather than the first candle cube root method, the swapping method works fine. Got the difference? Why do we need these two methods? Whichever way the market pans out, we have got a remedy on it. We can trade. It is range bound, it is trending, whatever that is. Still we get these things. Clear? Up till now, everything is clear. Any doubt? If there is a doubt, you have 2 days, Saturday and Sunday.
Sir,
Watch this video again and again. I will be posting it again and again. If nothing is clear, then watch this. If still not clear, call me on Monday. I will tell you on Monday. हाँ बोलिए.
sir, I have a couple of queries. First, sir, the reversal trades which you have shown, like you shown that you can take a trade from the first lower level, the earlier explanation that we are doing. I was just wondering because I was also checking the same thing during the day, and I saw like it was getting support over there. But just wanted to understand, sir, is there any pattern? Like since today is Friday and the writers have
No, see,
done.
Friday, absolutely. Friday is the writer's day. Why? Because 2 more days and जैसा मैंने कहा ना, see, the interest never stops, right? Suppose I'm having a factory, I'm having a unit, and I have borrowed a loan from a bank, and then I tell a bank, you can verify, you can check all the Sundays I give off to my people. So there are 52 weeks and 52 Sundays are off. So kindly forgo the interest for 52 days. Don't charge me the interest rate of 1 year, just 52 days, because on 52 days, so out of 365 days, I'm not working. Will the bank say yes or no? Hello, will the bank say yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
No,
Yeah.
sir. No.
No, bank will say that is none of our business. Similarly, market is closed. Market says that is none of my business. Premium will decay.
No, sir. The
So
my
when the premium is going to decay, usually a big move is not seen on Friday. And naturally, when the premium is going to decay, rather than the buyers, the sellers are active. I'm in the midst of my workshop. Can you call? Please call me later after 10. Please call me after 10. Thank you. So it's a, either it's a seller's day or it's a confusing day. But,
Understood, sir.
but not much side upside is, expected, huh?
So my query is slightly different. I was just trying to understand like the range on which it fluctuates. Since it is Friday, absolutely correct, and I do understand that it's going to not going to fluctuate that much. So it would be maybe rejecting from the first lower level. Is it going to go to the next level, the second level, the 0.5 or 50% level, maybe on Monday or Tuesday, and on expiry day, it may also reach to the third level of 0.73. Is this
but,
how?
no, but we don't calculate, I mean, daily we calculate differently. No? We still do not have a method whereby you will be computing on the basis of this candle on for a Monday. No, that's not the case.
Okay.
What you say
Okay.
is will stand correct only if you are calculating this on a weekly basis.
Okay.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
So, no, just a minute. See what will happen on Monday. We will take the first candle of say Monday. So we are not bothered what happened on Friday. What you say that can be judged only when, but again, then the first candle will lose the importance. What you say is like this. Now, see, there are many questions, The first one is what do you consider a week? Because Nifty starts a new series on Friday. So if you consider a week, but the world consider a week from Monday to Friday. So one day is gone. So, so whether you're going to consider this Friday to next Thursday as 1 week, if yes, that can be done. But then you will have to consider the last Friday's open. Last Friday's open. Let's do it. Who has stopped us? Okay. Let's do it. This is, we are just trying, this is not a theory. I mean, this is not a confirm yet. What was the last Friday date? Today is 23rd. So last
16th.
Friday, 16th, right? So
Yeah.
let's go to 16th. 5-minute chart and let's go to 16th. And now see, this is the first. Okay. Now probably we can calculate. Okay. So now if this is first 5-minute candle high, 22,024.15. So my first target will be 22,024.15 plus 0.2611%. That will be. Sir, I am the midst of a workshop. मेरा workshop चल रहा है. मुझे 10 बजे के करीब फोन कीजिएगा. ठीक है? Thank you. So now the first candle high plus 26.11% is 22,081. Okay. What will be the next target? The next target will be plus 50%.
Sorry, Mangesh, I'm confused. 26% of 22,000 is some 5,000. So
0.2611. Why are you taking this?
okay,
So,
0.2611%. Okay.
So 0.5 is 22,134. Now 0.73, 7389 is 22,186. 22,180. You will have to go on like that, 22,186. And what was today's level? That is still very much above. I mean, so that has got no sense. We see that's why I do not propagate anything like positional into weekly options. It's, I mean, you simply cannot like a weekly option because the parameters will be different. Everything will be different for that. And see, market is not the same, If it goes, touches, then come back, that then again makes a high. No one can foresee what is going to happen. So better, whatever we are getting, we are happy with it. See again. I have nothing against, experiment. On the contrary, I keeps on doing it a lot much of time. But at the same time, living a method which is giving you If you comes across a method which is more powerful than the present one, then only think about forgetting the first one. Without, however bad may be the system, forget about the share market. Wherever you go, in whichever company you are, wherever you are, if the present, unless you get one particular system which is many times much more better than the existing one, there is no point in scrapping the one. आता वर्कशॉप चालू आहे नंतर करू पण काय महत्वाचं नाही ना. Okay, so definitely try, but no, not yet. Okay. Next question. Yes, Arun.
सर
हाँ.
हेलो सर.
आज फ्राइडे है, सैटरडे
हाँ.
संडे सपोज आई वांट टू मैं पीछे जाके कुछ चेक करना चाहता हूँ ये सब चीजें, तो कैसा कोई वेबसाइट या ऐप अवेलेबल है जहाँ पे मुझे पहले के ऑप्शन के मिनट या 5 मिनट प्राइसेस और ओपन इंटरेस्ट
Yeah,
सब
iChart है ना. iChart is there.
हाई चार्ट?
Yeah.
ओके सर.
But I think that's a paid version. मेरे पास नहीं है वो, but that's a paid version.
नो इश्यूज, थैंक यू.
Okay.
हमी ब्रोकर जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर वगैरह देखना पड़ेगा आपको.
काय विशेष नाही ना. नाही काय सगळेच म्हातारे आहेत त्यामुळे म्हटलं काय झालं काय नाही ना. ओके. हा मी करतो.
सर
हाँ जी,
सर श्रीपाद
बोलिए.
सर वो कौन सा एक्चुअल प्लॉट करने का मेरे को कंफ्यूजन हो गया. ये वाला अपन रोज जो
सर
रेंज
आप
वाला.
सुनते किधर हो? आप पीछे बात कर रहे हो, आपका माइक चालू है, आप किधर सुन रहे हो?
नहीं, माइक तो बंद रखा था मैं.
अभी सब लोगों ने बोलने के बाद बोलिए, क्या कंफ्यूजन है? आप ये वीडियो देखिएगा, जैसा मैंने कहा 2 दिन में ये वीडियो देखिएगा, पूरा देखिएगा. अगर फिर कंफ्यूजन रहा तो वो पूछेगा, क्योंकि सेम थिंग अगेन एंड अगेन इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल ना.
वो
84
नहीं सर.
पीपल आर देयर.
अरे वो नहीं सर, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ आप सुनो. ये नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल वाला अपने को प्लॉट करने का है क्या डेली रेंज वाला प्लॉट करने का है? ये कंफ्यूजन है मेरे को.
नहीं देखो, देर आर मेनी मेथड्स, सो यू फॉरगेट. देखो एक ही रास्ता नहीं होता ना बॉस. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई से. सक्सेस टू द ट्रूथ, सक्सेस टू द अल्टीमेट इज नॉट ओनली वन वे ना. तो ऐसा नहीं, आपको जो अच्छा लगे वो करो. और ये रिस्पेक्ट, ये लेवल हर एक जगह पे रिस्पेक्ट करता है. आपने ये नहीं किया, ये तो मैंने कभी दिखाया नहीं. अब टेलीग्राम का लेवल देख के दुनिया पैसा छाप रही है, मैं भेज रहा हूँ, तो टेलीग्राम के लेवल देख लो, खत्म हो गई बात. ये मैंने शॉर्टकट बनवाया है, दैट्स ऑल. ठीक है, अगर कुछ नहीं है, ये मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है, कैलकुलेटर भी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. होता है कि भाई मेरा अगर ये मोबाइल नहीं है, बैटरी डाउन है, कैलकुलेटर नहीं, तो वो कौन 0.2 तो वो 26.11 कौन करते बैठेगा. सो ओके, अगर चार्ट के सामने है तो ये कर दूंगा मैं, सिंपल.
नहीं, मेरे को ये पूछने का था आपका एक्सपीरियंस के ऊपर, नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल वाला परफेक्ट है?
दोनों परफेक्ट है.
अच्छा, दोनों परफेक्ट है.
दोनों परफेक्ट है, आपको
दोनों-
जो चाहिए दोनों परफेक्ट है.
ओके, दोनों में से कौन सा भी प्लॉट किया तो चलता है?
हाँ, दोनों में से जो भी आप प्लॉट करोगे. अब देखो,
हाँ.
सिंपल चीज है. आप वो टेलीग्राम लेवल पे जाके देखो, लोएस्ट लेवल इज 191.50. सो इट्स 191.50, सिंपल. इट्स 191.50. निफ्टी बैंक में जाके देखिएगा, निफ्टी बैंक के लेवल है, देखियो वो तो कितना प्रिसाइज है. देखो, बुलिश अबाउ 47,216 और ये क्या मिल रहा है 47,217. देखिए
हाँ.
है
हाँ सर,
बिल्कुल.
ये-
47,216 है and this is 41,217. So they are close to. That is the beauty. See how they are adjusted, no one knows.
ओके.
How the different premiums they are adjusted, no one knows. ठीक है. I mean, you simply need to apply the logic. I mean, आपको सोचना चाहिए सर. ये बगैर सोच के कुछ नहीं होता. तो अभी now the question should raise in your mind, can I try this? What? Can I try this? Can I try the first candle low, cube root of it, square root of it, minus first candle low, and first candle high, cube root of it, square root of it, plus first candle high? How many people thought it?
Actually, I thought it. In fact, I
So do
thought
it.
that.
Thought it to do it and then check. You will get the answer.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay,
See,
I can do that.
once you get a system that whichever is the important line is level because you want to pinpoint that the price, that's why you draw a line. So whatever is the price, that price cube root, and then the cube root is x, then x multiplied by x, plus or minus that line is a very crucial level. Then just do it and say it. I am not telling you because, sir, I'm confused. I don't want that to listen to that line. See, rather than going for 3, 4, 5, you stick to one. My job is there to show you. Show you the beauty of maths, not of trading, not of say making money. For making money, say I've given you. The sharp one he can catch. There are so many methods. Okay,
Sir,
there are
here
so many. There is one more method, a single price method, just like, see, now you will see, sir, just like SPP, single premium price. There is one more method. Okay, I will tell you. I will not go into deep into it. Okay, because you will have to develop it. That is why I am giving you the recording. Okay, now just see. Let there be a daily chart. Okay, this is a daily chart. Let here be also a daily chart. Okay, a daily chart. Now just see on the previous candle, on the basis of previous candle, see, this was the high. This was the low. Okay. What you need to consider is just again the same thing. Okay. If this is a candle, previous day's candle, then somewhere there the crucial lines will be there. One will be 73.89 and second will be 26.11. You just need to consider on the backdrop of previous day's candle, with reference to previous day's candle, where the market is opening today. Okay, where the market is opening today, I will show you.
Can you repeat once? Can you repeat once this
So
statement?
here the open is previous day high, previous day low. Open is close to previous day 73.89.
yes.
Okay, this is previous day's high, previous day's low. Somewhere over here will be previous days 73.89. Here will be 26.11. So call is open close to the previous days 73.89. Okay. Now let's check this. This is put. This is puts 100. This is put 0. Somewhere over here will be put 73.89. Somewhere over here will be 26.11. You could see put has opened close to previous days 26.11. Call is close to previous day 73.89. So let's calculate what are those figures. So for that, what we will need to do, first we need to find out the difference. कल का difference हमें देखना है. तो चलो कॉल में कल का difference निकालते हैं. 563.60, 563.60 minus कल का low 308.50, 308.50. Difference is 255.1. I will multiply it by 26.11%. The answer is 66.6. Now I will minus 26.11 from 100 and thereby I will get 73.89. In short, I will minus 66.6 from previous day's high, which is 563.60. And you get 496.99, just 497. So in call, yesterday's figure was 497. Let's write it down, 497. So that is in call. Okay, called. Now let's calculate input. Input, it was, you could see this is 100. It never ever went close to it. So let's see what was the range. Yesterday's range input was 810.85. 810.85 high minus low was 451.90. Difference is 358.95. Now I want is 26.11. 26.11% is 93.72. And now I will add it into 0. And then I will get 26.0. You will get 26.11. So let's do it. Add it into the low of yesterday. 451.9. And the answer is 545.62. So this one is 545. Wherever that is. 545.62. Okay, now you will say, sir, how come this will, these are two different figures, but I'm just combining that into one. अगर आपको चाहिए, you can have like this 26, 54, and this is pertaining to 26. Okay, so 545.62 plus 497 is equal to 1042 divided by 2, 521.31. So single price is 521.31. Now let's see. Okay, 521.31. Let's do like this, 47,000 call and put. Let's एक बार फिर से. And the figure is 520. 521.31. See, one simple thing. One simple thing. Okay. आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है. You don't have data. This whole calculation is based on yesterday's data. And you can say 521.31 is the most crucial figure for today. When one is below and second one crosses above, buy it. And you got a tremendous profit from 521 to 613. It's as simple as that. 521 to this. And for writers on Friday special, whenever at the same time, both are close to 521, sell both. So your selling price would be 521, 1042. See the close. 1042 was your selling, close is 834. Simple. This is just like, SPP. Not even need to calculate today's levels. Just what we need, today's open of call and put, where they are opening. Okay, where they are opening. That's all. One will always be at a 26.11%. One will be somewhere at 73.89%. Calculate that, add 73.89 plus 22. It is also possible that both might be call and put at one particular level. They can be at 26.11. Okay, then calculate that. You don't need to use your brain. Okay. The trouble starts when you start using the brain. Don't use the brain. What the system says, just see where it opens today. Okay. Now it's very simple. This was yesterday's high. This was low. Somewhere over here was the 73.88, 89. It opened close to 73.89. Just take yesterday's 73.89. Now the system also says see this yesterday's high, yesterday's low, 26.11. It's 26.11. Consider yesterday's 26.11, 73.89 plus 26.11 yesterday's. Find the median and that will be your price. And then if one is above and one is below, the which goes above, buy it. As simple as that. One is above, one is below, which goes above, buy it. Later on, when both comes to the same level, sell both. Why? Because option is 66.66% favored in writers. So the price is going to come down. Absolutely going to come down. And today only you saw it. Whenever both were near 50%, whenever they were, okay, just sell both. Sell both. So 521, 521, it's done. Simple. Suppose you would have bought when it crossed. Okay, suppose this is crossed. So you will buy at 521. Whatever was the close, 525. And that time the lower one was 409. I'm considering just close. So 934. 935. Chalo. So this time 935 became less. So don't do it. That is why hedging is not everyday's phenomena. Just calculate. Your premium has decayed. It has declined, reduced. 10. नहीं सर ये बाद में ये हम बाद में वो देखेंगे. VIX and open interest does see open interest we calculate in SPP na single premium price, that's all. VIX is not. VIX का कोई मतलब नहीं. See the thing which the world sees has got no meaning. दुनिया जो देखती है VIX कुछ नहीं है उसका, कुछ नहीं उसका. ठीक है, that's all. Okay.
One question. In the spreadsheet provided by you for the calculations of the rally range.
Ajay, I couldn't get you. Hello.
Hello, sir. There is one question from me. A spreadsheet provided by you for the range calculation and other things. In that, India VIX I could see. What is the use of that India VIX?
India VIX has got no use.
Okay.
Absolutely no, say no use.
Okay.
Okay. India VIX is there, but what does it tell you? The VIX itself change. When it is above 35 or 36, then only that matters.
Okay.
Okay. So there will be many things, but see, rather than going for knowledge, my basic emphasis is only on strategy, which will make money. We are here to make money, not to write some thesis, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So simplest method is for making money. Whatever you get. So that's why I said, but people shouldn't feel, "Arey sir, kya sir, aapne bataya tha, you teach say only one method." No, methods are fine. How much can you digest? How much can you choose? Now each method has got some pros and cons. Now this is so simple. This you can get once only. Every method has got some limitation. You very well know today, ke bhaiya 521 will be the price. Okay, 521 will be the price. That's all. And it can vary also. आपको जो price देखना हो, whichever you want to select, call and put, you can try it out. One will always, they will be equal and opposite. Just you have to remember this thing. If one gets open at 26.11, second will be at 73.89.
Sir, here one thing, the STP line you have made it. So as per you, means if you are taking the trade, means you will take in the second candle or in the fifth candle, where you will take
See,
the
trade will be taken at first candle. See, as per this method you're talking, no, sir?
This method.
Yeah. See, because say early in the morning, they're not going to decay. Later on, they can decay. If one is below, second one has to be above. One will go above, second will come down.
Yeah, because this line, so just yes, above the
One
line.
is below, second one will be above. Later on, when you found market is not leaving a particular range, Bank Nifty is neither breaking above first candle high plus 0.2611, nor below first candle low minus 0.2611, then the decay will start. And that is why you could see now here both of them coming down to 521. There one can go short on both. Only then, not in the morning. Not in the morning. Right? And that too, whenever you get both. Now here you didn't because you're finding this, but when you're watching this, this is far below. This is far. So one sure shot entry you can get over here in the morning, whichever breaks above 521. Okay, go and buy. Simple. That's all. Buy.
Correct.
Okay.
Afternoon mostly for sellers it will be benefit. Actually, afternoon we cannot take full risk.
What?
The first morning trade will be for buyers. It's go okay. For evening trade, buyers will have to check and trade
Because the market is range bound. That's all. Okay. Okay. So many hands up. Shoot. Sambit ji ने नहीं पूछा. Sambit ji पूछे. Sambit Patra.
Sir, can you explain in 11 o'clock candle, sir?
What?
Can you explain 11 o'clock?
Level of?
11 o'clock candle. The green candle should be in 521 above.
This.
11, this one. That one.
Okay. What do you want to know about it?
That is cross over the 521, sir.
Then?
Then can you take the trade or what?
Here, up trade.
Yeah.
You can, but see what is happening. So that is what I'm trying to tell you. What is happening? You can take this, but once you know the market is trending, market is not trending, right? Market is range bound. So here again, you will have to consider many things. Not only the one thing. You will have to consider the many things. Like this. You can take it provided the market is trending. It's not trending. So that's what I said. Rather than trying this on Friday, try it on Monday. You yourself will know it. Okay. Monday, the days are very important. Friday, there is no much movement. So you try it out on Monday. Monday, you will find it. Okay. But usually, it doesn't support. And say most what will happen? Suppose you have bought a position and you are not finding, I mean, that has gone up to only 558. Sorry, 574. Just get out of it with some small amount of profit. Don't worry. Get out of it.
Okay.
Okay.
In that case, stop loss should be the same candle low.
Same candle low. Yes, of course. The same candle. Stop loss should be same candle, Same thing. Okay.
हेलो सर.
हाँ.
सर सॉरी सर, मैं थोड़ा बाद में ज्वाइन किया हूँ, कुछ काम की वजह से मुझे पता नहीं ये क्वेश्चन आया है या नहीं. सर थोड़ा निफ्टी के चार्ट देख सकते हैं?
निफ्टी?
यस सर.
हाँ, निफ्टी देखिएगा, बोलिए.
सर निफ्टी का जो 935 का जो ब्रेकआउट है.
935?
यस सर.
ये हाँ.
सर क्या इसमें हम ट्रेड ले सकते हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल, क्यों नहीं. वही तो समझा है ना मैंने.
नहीं सर, मैं था नहीं इसलिए फिर से
देखो, फर्स्ट आपने स्वैपिंग कर दिया, राइट?
यस सर.
फर्स्ट कैंडल का है 171.85, यहाँ पे ड्रॉ कर दिया. ठीक है. अब क्या करोगे, ये जो लेवल है 171.85 की जो लेवल है, फिर पहले उसका क्यूब रूट निकालोगे.
ना सर, नहीं सर, बात मेरा डाउट ये है कि सर आप पिछले एक बार बोले हैं कि उससे पहले अगर वैसा कुछ कैंडल उससे ऊपर नहीं होना चाहिए था, इसलिए
नहीं, क्यूब रूट के बारे में नहीं बताया मैंने. वो मैंने केवल बताया था इसके बारे में. दैट वाज बिफोर द क्यूब रूट. क्यूब रूट के बाद डोंट अप्लाई दिस लॉजिक. दैट वाज बिफोर द क्यूब रूट. एंड देन टू अगेन सी व्हाट यू से इज करेक्ट. सी हाई ऑफ दिस 193. It got a resistance exactly at that level. ठीक है.
Yes,
What
But
is the
didn't reach the level target.
Beg your pardon?
Didn't reach the target 26.11%.
Yes, it reached the target 26 point. That's all.
No, sir, 211 it's the target.
So 178.85 plus 26.11. It reached the target. That is what I'm saying.
सर आप पहले एक बार बोले थे कि जो उससे पहले कोई कैंडल उठना ऊपर नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि वो
भैया
ऊपर जाता है।
ये मैंने जब कहा था उसके बाद वाले दिन क्यूब रूट बताया, पहले नहीं बताया. तो आफ्टर क्यूब रूट ये अगर बड़ी कैंडल है तो यहां से यहां तक तो वो जाएगा कम से कम, उसके बाद नहीं जाएगा. समझे आप? हाँ,
सर मतलब ये
that's all.
स्वैपिंग
अगर
नहीं देख रहे
ये कैंडल जो बन रही है, ये कैंडल क्यूब रूट के स्क्वायर से बड़ी है. मैंने ये भी कहा. अभी आपकी गलती है कि आपने ज्वाइन नहीं किया. ये कैंडल बड़ी नहीं है, ये भी मैंने कहा, लेकिन फिर भी इसके लिए इट विल कम बैक टू द लाइन. यहाँ पे आप बाई करो 26.11 का आपका टारगेट रहेगा. एग्जैक्टली यहाँ पे उसने सपोर्ट ले लिया और वहां से ये नीचे आया. जब मैंने ये कहा था तब ये क्यूब रूट के बारे में नहीं बताया था. अब जब ये क्यूब रूट है, किसी ने यहाँ पे इतना बड़ा मोमेंटम क्रिएट किया 5 मिनट में, तो वो कम से कम इसके हाई तक तो जाएगा ही. वो पार नहीं करेगा और वैसा ही हुआ, वो पार नहीं किया और वो नीचे आ गया. ठीक है. हाँ, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
सर थैंक यू सर.
Hello, sir.
हाँ.
Actually, today I checked the Nifty option charts. I took one common point and I drawn the SPP line. So could you please draw the SPP line also there?
SPP, whatever is the, SPP.
143.75. 143.75.
Just draw it now, 143.75. Let's change it, 143.75. $143.75 and this also 143.75. Okay, 143%. What do you find?
So the put was crossing many times the SPP level. That's why I was a bit confused. But the call was above SPP. I didn't initiate any trades.
So what I told you now, blankly you won't find it. What you need to do, you need to go to such pairs where the first candle is near 143. The call candle, the put candle, right? I told you.
Yeah.
And then swap. Okay.
Yeah,
there
that's
is
all right.
one question. There is one chat from Mr. What is his name? Mr. Udaya, who seems to be quite fed up with Nifty, Bank Nifty. Till when we will have the class, sir? Do we have anything to discuss about equity stock and when we can jump into market? You can jump into market from Monday for Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty. And equity also, we will be starting from Monday. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. I'm clear. Thank you.
Sir, one question. Is there any specific guidelines? I mean, out of Bank Nifty, Nifty, and Fin Nifty, Monday which one to choose, and Tuesday. I mean, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, which one to choose, or Monday specifically which can, like beginners, Monday which can be done, Tuesday or Wednesday which can be done.
What?
Is there any specific guideline like that?
See now. Today was the last day for Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty. We have done it. Ample of practice has been done, right? Okay. So now Monday onwards, we will go for equity options. We will see the screeners, how to make a screeners, say in the market, how the scripts are filtered out, and then how to take a position.
Okay. I'm not asking that, sir, to start the trading. For example, we cannot at that time we cannot do.
First of all, you're not audible. Kindly bring your mouth close to the mic.
Yeah, sir. I'm not asking that, sir. Regarding screeners, Monday onwards to trade it, which can be selected? I mean, is there any specific guidelines like you told on Friday sideways market, right?
No, nothing.
Okay. As long as the rules are met, any day anything can be done, right?
Yes. Okay, so that's it.
Sir, one question.
So when we do the swapping and draw the lines, and afterwards, if we change the strike price, do we still follow the same line, or we need to change it again?
Change it again, absolutely.
Okay, based on the
And you
strike
will
price.
swap when you will find a common price. So when you find a common price, that time you need to change. Simple.
Okay.
Sir, at that time, OA will change, no, sir?
Huh? Strike price will also change.
OA, at that time, that particular OA, we have to keep it, right?
I couldn't get you. What?
Sir, in order to find the SPP at that time, let for after 10:30 or 12 around, to find the SPP, we are requiring OA, no, sir? OA value.
No, it's boss, not why. You just see the premium. Yesterday I told you, you have to see the premium. You have to, your premium is not fixed, your price is fixed. Okay. Now, whenever it reached 47,217, then you need, what is the timing? The timing is 10:15, right? Now at 10:15, you need to see one such premium of Bank Nifty, which is close to SPP. Now, what was the SPP of Bank Nifty? I mean, there is no point. That is why I don't give the recordings, you know. Everything is there in day before yesterday's or yesterday's recording. I mean, if you are not watching it, then what is the use of it? There is no, I mean, that is put to bad use. I have explained this categorically yesterday. Now, whatever was the SPP, once it reached this particular level, you just check the SPP, whatever is the SPP. Today's SPP was 478. So now at 10:20, 10:15, look out for one such chart. I mean, one such strike, which SPP is 478. Okay, now it is 47,200. So let's go and see 47,300 or maybe 47,000. It is 650. It's far more. Okay. So 47,100. You need to change the strike price as per SPP. It's 589. What we need is 478. So 47,200.
While searching, we have to see the first 5 minutes candle close, right?
Yes. 47,200 is this.
530.
47,300. Now see, what is the close? 473. What is the SPP that we need? 478. So this is somewhere close. You found one. Okay. Now let's go to put and find out some strike price of which SPP is 478. Naturally, that will be above this. So you will have to look forward to more than 47,300 put, right? So let's first go to 47,300 put. And the SPP is 621.
You are looking at 1035 candle or 915 candle, sir?
Sir, if you are talking incessantly and not watching, what can I do? What I'm showing you that you are not ready to listen to. What can I do? And then you people ask, sir, I'm confused. I'm showing you something. We are having a SPP. Now, as per the SPP, when that reached the top, we are searching for one such strike price, which is now, why will we search for that? Because Bank Nifty has gone to one particular level, 47,217. This is the level, that is exactly the level what is there in the Excel sheet that was posted before the market started, 47,216. So now approaching that, we are finding a pair of call and put having the exact SPP. So now we have found it in 47,300 call. Now we are finding it somewhere else at 47,300. We are not found. We'll go to 47,400. First, listen at least respect what I'm talking about. Then listen first and then question, no, sir?
100, sir, 100.
Yeah, now you find it. That's it. Put at this time is less 47,100.
Here the close is 470, sir.
It's
Okay.
matching, sir.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Now you see at this particular point of time, 10:15 and 10:20. Chalo, let me show you that even. Otherwise, question may come back again. Okay. Now you see this 47,216. It's a bullish above level. This is as per the Excel sheet. 47,216. Now let's see the Nifty. Where is the Nifty? 47,216 is the Nifty. See this. Oh, perfect. Okay. That is why now is the time whenever it comes to a crucial level, we will look out for one such thing having equal SPP. SPP just above this. See, 478. Okay. So we have selected a strike price of 47,300 call, 47,400 put, because now here someone asked, should we see to the common point? Yes, you should. Now see the call side heights 456 and low is 417. And put side low is 486. So put side low is bigger than call side high. So till now, there is no common point. And now there is a common point. Now there is a common point. You see, 487, 452, high and low. Let us check one, 487.22, no use. 491 is the high of put, no use. Third price, 443.40, no use. And fourth price, 457.40. Now, close of this candle of put, 457.40, is between high and low of call, 487, 450. Now, let's try call side. So call side first price 455, second price 487, third price 452, fourth price 473. All are between high and low of put. So this completes. Can you mute yourself? Whosoever's mic is on, please.
People really fed up, sir.
Srinivasan, Manikam, I don't know. The same members time and again. Okay. So what you do, you just compare the price near to, you just consider the strikes near to the SPP and now you will swap. As simple as that. So you will swap 487 high of this onto this 487. I'm just considering high because that's had shown it. This was the candle. Okay. And then from put side, 443 is the low. That's all. From the very next candle, we consider this candle C. 487 high of this candle was plotted on put. Okay. 452 will be also plotted. Okay. Now similarly from this candle, 491 will be plotted above and 443, 40 will be plotted. This went down, this went up. Just calculate again 443, 443, cube root of 443. Cube root of 443 is 7.62. 7.62 multiplied by 7.62, 58. This candle should be more than 58 point. It is more than 100 point. Okay, it is more than. Now let's come over here. This value is 487. So now cube root of 487. 487. So you get a cube root. That is 7.86.
61.89 square.
61.77. So let's see this candle. It is more than 90 point. So both are fulfilling. So this will go above. That will come below. Simple.
Sir, at what level should we enter in this?
26.11. That is again 487 plus 26.11% is 614.15. 614.15. Next will be 50% plus 50%. That will be 730.5. Next will be 73.89. Say it, the level was attained, again came back. Then once second, again took a support at level 1 and then breach it. You just need 26.11% from here. Even though after having completed this, you take a call 523 and then simply goes up to 723. It's a huge profit. What else do you want? What did we do? We just saw that Nifty, Bank Nifty is coming to a crucial level. The level is with us even before the market started. Then when it came to that level, then we saw the SPP prices. Both of we selected one such call and put. Incidentally, we got it at 47,300, 47,400, close to the SPP. Right? Close to the SPP. And then we saw simple swapping. That is why I said swapping is most important, effective. Even though you forget everything else and just resort to this swapping, this will give you enough of money, more than what you have ever imagined in your wildest dream. That's all. What else do you want? Okay, now this has gone far away, sir. What can select another pair having this? Who has stopped you? Now
Your voice gone, sir. No voice. Sir, no voice.
sorry, 5 days are over. Say in the next week, we should start with equity options. So am I clear?
Yes.
Yeah, that's all.
Sir, tomorrow will be class.
No, tomorrow, Sunday, 2 days, no course.
Okay, only the class will be start at Monday.
Monday. Monday, I'm planning a live session. Whosoever wishes to join can join the live session. Not Monday. Let's keep it on Wednesday, Thursday, on the day of expiry. Okay. So whosoever wishes, I will be posting the link. The market will be the session will be at 10 a.m. Okay, 10 a.m. That's all. But in that case, there will be no say evening session. It will be a live session, and the recording will be provided. Okay.
Mangesh, can I request if you
Sir,
can
one
do it on
question.
Wednesday instead of Thursday? I'm actually traveling, so if you can do on Wednesday, it'll be great.
No, both the days that will be done.
Okay.
Wednesday, Thursday, and the recording will be posted.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, risk management. Can you cover something?
Yeah.
Risk management.
Risk management.
Yes, means risk per trade. How much stop loss?
Sir, bring your mouth close to the mic, please.
Hello.
Ha.
How much risk per trade shall we consider? Means if the stop loss amount.
We are
is
having
low,
stop loss. That's all. So that much risk. See, I don't. I mean, this is all. According to me, this is all nonsense. Risk management, how to maintain your temperament, and this comes into management category. Sorry for saying this. The IIM people do it. I am a man on field. I was a soldier. So, I mean, this is okay, good. This is thinking in the air conditioned room. And you see, there is always a difference. Why we see this condition, right from Indian cricket to right from, Indian national policies. Wherever I have been, wherever, whenever, I have lectured, I have raised the same thing. The difference is absolutely nothing except 23 degrees and 46 degrees. The one who makes the policy, they sit in 23 degree, and one who actually, implement, they are in 48 degrees. So the one who sits in 23 degrees, they do not know the problems of 48 degrees. And those who execute in 48 degrees, they do not know the problem of 23 degrees.
Okay.
It's everywhere. Right from cricket. The man who has not held a bat, I'm not talking about Mr. Jay Shah's son, anywhere, right from Sharad Pawar to Jay Shah. Those who are at the helm of a cricket body, they have never even held a bat in the hand. And they are selecting the players. That is the greatest mockery of the game. So again, 23 degree and 48 degree. And those who are actually playing on the ground, they are absolutely see on a tangent, so on a different track. So that is why, I mean, this risk management, then people say, no, sir, make a video on this. They're all nonsense. Rather than risk management, it should be greed management, because every trade gives you money. So that has got nothing to say about risk. It is about greed. It should be greed management. That's why I said 26.11%. Enough of it. Same capital.
Question was about that.
Same capital, 26.11% per day. Even though you trade 10 days, it is 260%. Your capital gets 2.5 times. That's all. Follow this religiously. If this is not your primary source of, say, income, don't waste your time. Once you get 26%, quit. People say, no, sir, I won't trade. I will just sit before it. No. विश्वामित्राज तपस्या भंग हुई थी, मेनका ने, तो ये भी एक दूसरी मेनका है, आप विश्वामित्र नहीं हो, ठीक है. So however you may say, I will not, I will see. No, you will end up making a trade and you will end up making a loss at the end of the day. Shut it off. शाम को देखना क्या हुआ और नहीं हो. 26.11% a day will make you millionaire. Anything beyond that, the same story will remain. You will have many stories, just like I told you one. No, at once upon a time at 1:30, say I was 26,000 plus in silver way back in the year 2015. After 45 minutes, when I came out of my pantry where there was no range, broker told me you're minus 16,000. Now this is a story. There is no sense in the story. Why I tell this story? So that people should take a lesson out of it. That's all. There is, forget about risk management and the emotional management, this and that you will find many across many sessions. Strategy is important. How to shoot, where to shoot. That is most important. Where to where to take a position, where to book a profit, where should be your stop loss, where to take a second entry, how to change the strike price when it reaches to a particular level. On the basis of SPP, how you can select different strikes. So then you will find a common price. Then trade back again. Again, market will go to some other end. Again, find a call and put price close to the SPP. Again, find a common point. Again, draw the lines of swapping and trade again. It's as simple as that. Okay, let's meet on Monday. Thank you. Bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, sir.